Up until now, all the building and deploying of applications has been done with simple scripts to demonstrate the fundamentals of how these things are done. After a bit, this gets to be clumsy, and there is a wish for more automation. For one thing, a script has a tendency to blunder on after an error has occurred, and it will gladly dispatch an incomplete or error-filled WAR file. A utility designed to automate this entire job is named Ant. If you're familiar with the Make utility, you have the general idea, but Ant is designed to work with Java. In fact, it is written in Java, so it's completely portable and will run on any system that runs Java. And Ant has some advantages. It's open source and it's entirely free. It's written in Java in such a way that you can, by writing Java code, add capabilities to it. Ant is an Apache project, so it was built from the ground up to work with servers and containers, and it even comes with the J2EE download if you elected to download the whole thing. Probably the main advantages of Ant in JSP and servlets is the fact that it has built-in commands for building WAR files and dispatching applications to a server. In fact, the J2EE samples come with Ant build files that do just that for its examples. You are looking at the home page of the Ant project. This shows the latest version at the time this was recorded, and there may be a new one now, but it has been around long enough to become stable. I know web pages change too, but the basic operation of downloading and installing should remain the same. There are two ways to download Ant. You can get the binary version, which is the same as the one that comes with J2EE, or you can get the source version and compile it yourself. I suggest the binary version. You can always come back and get the source code after you become a power user and decide to make some modifications or additions of your own. Remember, you don't have to download anything if you got yours with a full download of J2EE. Now, this page is bound to change. Download pages always change. But what you want to do is find the link to the zip file and download it if you want the Windows version. You can also download files compressed in a couple of different ways for Unix computers. It's about a 10 megabyte download. Either way, once you have the download file, you can unzip it or untar it into its installation directory. Now for the environment. You need to set the variable Ant Home to the installation directory of Ant. As you can see, I've already set Ant Home to the main installation directory of Ant. I'm using the version that installed with a full J2EE package, so I just set it to that. It's also necessary to set your path to the bin directory of the Ant installation. You set it like this. Since Ant Home is already pointing to the parent directory, it's only a matter of adding it to the end of the list of path directories like this. Now we save it all. Now, for the new path to take effect, it's necessary to start a new command line window. There. You can see that the bin directory of Ant is listed as the last member of the path list of the directories. And entering the Ant command produces a message that the build file is simply missing. The next lesson is about using a build.xml file and Ant to compile servlets, create a WAR file, and deploy the application.